Why do over 70% of businesses struggle with lead generation? The answer might surprise you. It's all about SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your secret weapon to attract 40,000 leads. Imagine your website popping up every time someone searches for your product. That's the magic. First, audit your website. Find what's working and what's not. Then, nail your keyword research. Think like your customers. What are they searching for? Next, create awesome content that answers their questions. And don't forget backlinks. They're like votes of confidence from other websites. Consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll see more traffic and more leads. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Subscribe for more digital marketing hacks. Share your SEO wins in the comments. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.